Welcome, it's Miss Kim. We are going to do, play, say a story based on the book I Know an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly by Nadine Westcott. What can you do? You could please be one of the animals. The animals say, "Don't eat me." Try it with me. Don't eat me. Great. You could also do a part if the little lady does swallow an animal or an insect. You would say, "Oh me, oh my, why?" Try it with me. Oh me, oh my, why? Great job. Let's do this. One day, a little lady had baked some cookies. Oh, they were hot and delicious, and she was ready to take a bite when all of a sudden a fly smells how delicious they were, and the lady accidentally swallowed the cookie and the fly. Ready? You say, "Oh me, oh my, why?" Oh, that's a good question. But now she needs some help. Oh, she saw a spider, but Spider says, "Don't eat me." The little lady swallowed that spider. Oh, that's wiggling and jiggling inside her. Oh me, oh my, why? Terrific job. Oh, she needs help. Oh, she sees a bird. Oh, the lady swallows the bird. Oh, how absurd to swallow a bird. Ready? Oh me, oh my, why? Well, to catch the spider. Oh, now she really needs help again. She sees a cat. Cat says, "Don't eat me." Imagine that. She swallowed a cat. Oh me, oh my, why? Well, to catch the bird. Oh, really? Okay, here we go. Well, now she needs a dog, but dog says, "Don't eat me." Oh, what a hog to swallow a dog. Here we go. Oh me, oh my, why? Terrific job. Uh-oh, she needs help. Oh, she's going to open her throat to swallow a goat. Oh me, oh my, why? To catch that dog. Then, she thinks maybe now the cow can help her. Cow says, "Don't eat me." Oh no, how is she going to swallow that big cow? But she did it. Oh me, oh my, why? Well, to catch the goat. Oh, oh, oh. Then she needs more help. She sees a horse. Horse says, "Ready? Don't eat me." Oh, but she needs to eat that horse. Oh me, oh my, why? Well, to catch the cow, of course. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for playing.